Okay, this is my Blacksmith Forge. This is a Champion 400 blower. It's a hand crank. The original handle's gone, but I've welded this in place of it. You can see it turns. Fan does spin freely, either direction. Over here I've got my table. This is 1/4-inch plate steel. Heavy legs, heavy frame. Underneath here to the tweer. Here's my ash dump. Works real well. You can just reach up under there and open that quickly. The fire pot's homemade. It's a 1/2-inch plate steel. You can move this out of here easily for setup, take down. Good post vise. Complete. All here. Good condition. My anvil and anvil stand. Just an old split rim wheel. Heavy piece of pipe welded in the center. I've got a couple places here you can hang some smaller tools, hammers and such. Again, that's 1/2-inch plate steel there. The anvil's made out of layers. I don't know if you can see these, several layers. 1/2-inch plate steel. It's a profile. It's similar to plywood. And a piece of round stock for the horn. A lot of welding here. This is a piece of brush hog blade actually for the face of this. And I've got a hole here for a hardy tool. I'll give a hammer and you can hear this. So it's got a good spring to it. That's pretty much it. Thanks.